Welcome to our video on navigating the National Bank Direct Brokerage platform for research. Deciding which securities to add to your portfolio or when to sell can be challenging. NBDB gives you access to research reports and lists of stocks selected and grouped by sector or theme, produced by its partners, National Bank Financial and Morningstar. Once you've logged into your account, there are two places where you can access research reports on the platform. If you're contemplating the purchase of a specific stock, you can find detailed analyses in our quote section. Simply click on Get a Quote and enter the name or symbol of the stock you're interested in. Once selected, this action will redirect you to our real-time quote section, where alongside the quote, you'll find ratings from National Bank Financial and Morningstar. Additionally, we provide the average analyst's recommendation, and finally, a technical events summary is available for a comprehensive perspective on technical analysis. To learn more, simply click on this heading or scroll down and select the Analysis tab. In this section, you'll find the NBF target price and the Morningstar fair value price, along with the date of the latest report. By clicking on Company or Analyst Report, you can download the latest report or explore the previous ones by selecting See More Reports. As you can see, obtaining research analysis on a particular stock is a straightforward process using the Get a Quote option. Now, let's consider a scenario where you don't have a particular stock in mind. In this case, navigate to our research heading and choose Company Coverage from the drop-down menu. In this section, you have access to over 1,600 Canadian and U.S. reports from the fundamental research departments of National Bank Financial and Morningstar. By using the stock screener, you can quickly filter through this list to create a short list of potential candidates for consideration. You can begin by customizing your search by country or by the source of the research. Let's start a search using Morningstar, which covers U.S. stocks and large-cap Canadian ones. Morningstar ratings range from 1 to 5, with a higher star rating being preferable. We can, for example, select to view all 5-star rated stocks. Next, we click on Filter, and we have our list shown in alphabetical order. Once you've found a stock that interests you, click on View Reports to view all existing research reports and then download the relevant documents to consult them. Let's go ahead with another example. Now, if we wanted to focus our attention on Canadian securities, we would switch to NBF Research and then view the NBF rating. Here, securities can be screened using All Ratings or Outperform, Sector Perform, and Underperform. After selecting All Ratings and clicking on Filter, you'll have an alphabetical list. To further narrow down your search, you can explore the Sector tab and select one of the 10 sectors, or search using one of the 24 underlying industries. For example, let's go ahead with consumer discretionary, and here is our list. Now, if we look at the industries within this sector, we can be even more specific, so let's select the retailing industry. Here we have 6 securities, and once I've selected the one that interests me, I will click on View Reports to then select the research document. Scrolling down, our next section covers recent rating and target price changes for both research providers. Clicking on the symbol will redirect you to the Get a Quote page. This concludes the Company Coverage section. Next, we'll explore the Publications from the Research tab drop-down menu. For investors seeking investment ideas, this section is for you. In the Stock Latest Publications section, you will find a list of the most recent research reports going back several days from NBF and Morningstar. Conversely, if you are searching for a list of best ideas, our Stock Select list will provide you with a choice of U.S. stocks and Canadian stocks to choose from. Our first report is from Morningstar and provides a Core Select and Income Select list that is updated monthly. Another source is the NBF Selection List, which is a list of their analysts' favorite conviction stocks that is updated monthly and is broken down by sector. Lastly, we have the NBF Strategic List Quarterly Review, which tracks a model portfolio of Canadian securities broken down by sector and is updated weekly. If we scroll down the page, there is a section on technical analysis where stocks, sectors, or indices are analyzed and commentary is provided. Our final section is the Stock Calendar Events. Here you can find individual daily research reports or consult the Daily Bulletin, which aggregates the daily NBF research into one document. For those of you who don't want to log into your accounts daily, there is a weekly report available from NBF named Week at Glance that is a summary of the previous week's events. You can also find a list of the previous week's NBF rating changes and an earnings calendar for the upcoming week. Morningstar also provides a weekly summary of stock ideas and developments in the companies they follow. Within this report, you will find a section called Stocks on Sale, which are 4- and 5-star rated, as well as a few highlighted companies. NBF also provides a monthly publication called Monthly Vision that offers a detailed economic and financial analysis. The NBF selection list, which was discussed earlier, is exported out of this report. You will also have commentary from the analysts and the list of securities that they cover, which includes target prices and other information that can be used to help you find or validate investment ideas. The last section of the Research tab that I'd like to show you is Economy and Strategy. Specifically for investors who want to read up on specific sectors, there is the Morningstar US Sector Reports. If we look further down the page, we have the NBF Industry Reports, which provides commentary on the sector and stocks within the Canadian industry. As you can see, the NBDB Research section offers many different types of research that can assist you in finding or validating investment ideas. Take the time to get to know this section of our platform. Moving on, I have one last section to show you that can be found in the Markets heading and then Trading Central from the drop-down menu. On the Secondary tab, we have the Morning Brief, which is a free daily news and trade ideas report on the US and Canadian markets curated by Trading Central. You can view it here or subscribe with your email and receive an email in the morning and find out what's happening before the markets open. This concludes our video on the Research section.